The love of Coco Lysa.
Wala nga ako nga ta Samoa pa benga.
What the? What the? Mahulay? Can you speak English? I kinda understand what you're saying.
Now that lady is definitely Samoan.
Hi, Mum. Awang iko'y mama yakiao. Nami iko'y saway.
Well, Mom, I brought my friend with me here to Samoa. We're hiding from an international ring of criminals. Ah!
Lalaw kala, lingol mele fa may it's your home.
Samoa.
Well, she has got a lot of genitals, yeah?
Eleo Samoa o Samoa. Ko'y fay law kala.
China. Leaga pa Samoa o Dwayne.
Eleo China o Tina.
Listen, mate, we haven't got time for this bad accent carry around, yeah? It's simple. The last time you ate something really decent, it made you want...
Some more.
Yes.
I just said it. Some more. Mom, ask me where I'm from. Go on, just ask me.
So yeah, go.
Just ask me where I'm from, Mom. Come on. Mom, just ask me one time.